The Shark Rotator NV501 is a very affordable upright vacuum cleaner. Shark has claimed that this unit out of the box has better suction power and better overall performance than the other upright vacuum cleaners that cost double or even triple the price. And while it may not have led the performance race, it was just marginally worse than its competition, and at that price point, it's extraordinary. It's also very versatile with its lift-away technology. It's a good-looking vacuum cleaner actually, and it's not trying to look as high-end as other models. Its glossy white body with some red touches gives a contemporary and functional look, which appeals to the eyes of many buyers. The components are pretty strong and solid with a good quality build. The wand is also secure and the transparent bin is not flimsy as expected. To top all this off, the vacuum can be used in canister mode as well, making it rather versatile and able to clean hard-to-reach spots. The Shark is very functional. It has a lot of features and it's easy to use. Also, converting the vacuum from upright to canister mode is done in a blink. Attaching and detaching brushes and accessories is very smooth. It's also 15.5 pounds light, and combined with a pivoting head, it's extremely maneuverable and can do pretty much everything you want it to. Performance-wise, it's very surprising. From a budget-price vacuum cleaner, we get a very premium suction power, and it performs very well on hardwood and various carpets. Even in plushier carpets, it does a good job. It also offers very good suction for pet and human hair, leaving the surface hair-free. Certainly, the more expensive premium vacuums have better suction power, but the Shark Rotator NV501 is right there with them, making it a very valuable product. With its versatility and power combined with the price tag, the Shark Rotator NV501 is one of the best upright vacuum cleaners and the best budget option hands down. It lacks some features that we're used to on more expensive Shark models, but it's still very impressive and capable.